Good morning, dear parents. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your kind support and putting your trust in us. As you know, every year at the end of the session, we present to you a brief annual report with a message which highlights the achievement of our students and the initiative taken by our school. As we are in the digital era now, so this year we have decided to present it through digital mode. Dear parents, we laid the foundation of our school in 2001, and over the years we have dedicated ourselves for educating the children so that they may become the skilled and enlightened citizens of tomorrow. We always focus on the all-round development of our students. With that, we are also aware of this fact that the skills of all students are not similar. Some students are very sharp in study, some may be very good in sports, and other may be very good in other curricular activities. We believe that every child is born with certain skills, and it is our duty to recognize their skills and guide them in a right direction. Firstly, talking about the academic performance of our students, they always excel in school results as well as in board results. But I would like to throw some light on the board results of last 2 years. In 2022-23, 40 students appeared from our school, and out of them, 9 students got above 90% and 8 students got above 80%. In 2023-24, 56 students appeared from our school, and out of them, 3 students got above 90% and 40 students got above 80%. We have always believed in preparing our students for future competitive world. On these lines, we make our students participate in National Olympiad tests which are conducted by Science Olympiad Foundation. These National Olympiad tests are national level tests which are purely based on the skill development of the students and give them exposure to the competitive exam. Such type of tests are also conducted in the school on regular basis. With that, we time to time organize intra-school quiz competition for building a competitive edge among our students. Dear parents, I feel delighted to inform you that in current session 2024-25, our students participated in inter-zone red ribbon quiz competition which was organized by J.K. Bose in collaboration with J&K AIDS Control Society under Health and Medical Education, where 50 schools from all 5 zones of Samba districts participated. The students of our school brought laurel to the school and to their parents by securing second position in this competition. Besides the academic result and theoretical knowledge, we focus on providing the students with practical experiences also. From last few years, we are organizing annual visit to Science City, Jalandhar and workshops at Amar Ujala Printing Press, where students get exposure to innovative ideas, developing a scientific temperament among the students. Dear parents, games and sports are the excellent tool not only to promote the physical and mental health of the students, but also infuses the discipline and social skills among them. We always try to keep our students in touch with the games and sports. Multiple games like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Badminton, Long Jump, High Jump, Tug of War, Rope Skipping, Caroms, Chess, and so many other games are played in our school. This year, one more game, that is netball, is also introduced in our school sports curriculum. We always make our students participate in sports competition which are generally conducted by the district youth services and support. Some students of our school got selected up to various levels. In addition to this, every year, intra-school sports meet is organized in which all types of games are played, including fun games for KG wings and primary wings. Dear parents, I would like to request you all that if you want to see your child playing at national or international level, you have to facilitate your wards at your own level also. Apart from the academic, sports and competitive skills, we also focus on the curricular and co-curricular activities like debates, skits, singing, dancing, and other form of art through weekly activity day, national festivals, and other cultural events. These activities not only introduce them with the different culture and values, but also improves their communication skills and developing leadership qualities among them. I would like to share with you that Taikathon is an interministerial initiative of Indian government that focus on the conceptualizing the toys or games which promotes the innovative ideas and revival of local culture and heritage. In this program, students from various schools of all over the India participated with their toys. This competition is conducted at various levels, that is at school level to national level. Last year, the toy prepared by the students of our school represented our school up to the division level. Dear parents, we also believe that the role of the school is not only developing their skill but also transforming them into the responsible citizens of tomorrow, and we take this role as our sacred responsibility to create awareness among our students about various prevailing social issues. We time to time conduct social awareness programs at our school like women empowerment, drug abuse, mobile addictions, etc. through debate, poster making, skits and cultural program, so that the students must understand the responsibilities towards their society and also know how to eradicate these evils from the society. Some social awareness programs are also conducted at our school in collaboration with government authorities. This year, practical demonstration regarding the fire safety techniques for timely fire hazard preventions and management was conducted by the Disaster Management Department. Besides this, a plantation drive was also conducted by the Soil Conservation Department to create awareness among the students about our responsibilities towards the sustainable and clean environment. We always make efforts to continuously update our infrastructure for providing better facility to our students. This year we have made significant addition to the school infrastructure. We have added a new playground for better sports facility for the students. A DC generator is installed for continuous power supply during the school hours. As you know, CCTV cameras have been working in the school for a long time. We are continuously updating CCTV system with audio system, making a centralized control over the school, enhancing discipline and security. We are making special focus on pre-primary sections to make it more child friendly. We are teaching the classes of KG wing with more playway methods. Dear parents, at last I want to say that in spite of all these skill development, their physical and mental health, one thing is very important for them, that they must understand the importance of moral values in their life, because their education is incomplete without moral teachings. And it is the duty of both of the parents and their teachers to infuse these moral values among them. As a principal of this institution, I always instruct my teachers to pay equal importance to these moral values and counsel them on regular basis. Now it is my humble request to all the parents to do this duty on your part as well, so that they may become the educated and responsible citizen of this society. Now I will conclude my words with the pledge that we will continue our best efforts to provide a quality of education to our students and to broaden the horizon of education, so that we could see our students, our stars, shining brighter in their respective fields. Thank you.